asks, and she says, if a girl is on her period and she wakes up for suhoor and eats up with her father and brothers and pretend to fast in front of them, is this okay? First of all, what is prohibited for a woman on her menses is to fast and to pray. And this is the consensus of all Muslims. Anyone that comes and says otherwise risks getting out of the fold of Islam. So this means that the actual ibadah, the actual fasting is prohibited upon a woman on her menses. But if she pretends by not lying, simply she doesn't eat. She joins them for fatur. She joins them for suhoor. And she does not say, I'm fasting. When they don't eat during the daytime, she's with them, doesn't eat. Is she sinful? Not at all. There is nothing wrong in that, especially if she's driven by bashfulness and shyness. A lot of girls don't feel easy going around telling people, I'm not fasting because this or that. So is she to be blamed? No, there's no blame, none whatsoever. However, the blame is if she is asking, she says, yes, I'm fasting. Or she refrains from eating even when she's alone because she feels that it's best I don't eat or drink. I have to do this, I have to do that. This is totally prohibited. So if what prevents her from doing that is being shy and bashful, and at the same time she is not lying, she doesn't say, I am fasting, then there is no problem in that, insha'Allah azza wa jal.